Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What topics are covered in a robotic process automation course? A typical robotic process automation (RPA) course covers the following topics. Introduction to RPA. This section provides an overview of RPA, its benefits, and its applications. RPA tools and platforms. This section covers the various RPA tools and platforms available in the market and their features. RPA architecture. This section covers the RPA architecture, including the different components and their functions. RPA implementation. This section covers the process of implementing RPA, including the steps involved in identifying and selecting processes for automation. RPA development. This section covers the process of developing RPA bots, including the steps involved in designing, coding, and testing. What are the prerequisites for taking a robotic process automation course? The prerequisites for taking a robotic process automation (RPA) course can vary depending on the level and type of course. However, some common prerequisites for an RPA course include basic knowledge of computer programming. Some RPA courses may require a basic understanding of programming concepts such as data types, variables, loops, and conditionals. Some popular programming languages used in RPA include Python, Java, and .NET. Knowledge of business processes. RPA is used to automate business processes, so it's essential to have some knowledge of the processes that need to be automated. Understanding the workflow and inputs/outputs of a business process is crucial for successful automation. Basic understanding of databases and data structures. RPA involves working with data from various sources, so a basic understanding of databases and data structures can be helpful. Familiarity with automation tools and platforms. Some RPA courses may require familiarity with specific RPA tools or platforms, such as UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism. It's important to note that not all RPA courses have the same prerequisites, and some courses may be designed for beginners, while others may be more advanced. It's always best to check the course requirements before enrolling to ensure that you meet the prerequisites. How long does a typical robotic process automation course take to complete? The duration of a typical robotic process automation (RPA) course can vary depending on the level and type of course. Here are some general estimates for different types of RPA courses. Introductory or beginner-level RPA courses. These courses typically range from a few days to a few weeks, with a total course duration of around 20 to 40 hours. Intermediate-level RPA courses. These courses can range from several weeks to a few months, with a total course duration of around 50 to 100 hours. Advanced or master-level RPA courses. These courses can last from several months to a year, with a total course duration of around 200 to 500 hours. The duration of an RPA course can also depend on whether it is offered in person, online, or as a self-paced course. Some online RPA courses can be self-paced, allowing students to complete the course at their own speed, while other courses may have a fixed schedule and deadline for completion. It's important to note that the duration of an RPA course is not the only factor to consider when selecting a course. The quality of the course content, the experience of the instructors, and the reputation of the training provider are also important factors to consider. What types of courses are available for robotic process automation? There are various types of courses available for robotic process automation (RPA) based on the level, format, and learning objectives. Here are some common types of RPA courses. Online courses. These courses are delivered entirely online and are designed to be self-paced. Online RPA courses can be accessed from anywhere and usually include videos, reading materials, quizzes, and assignments. In-person courses. In-person RPA courses are typically delivered in a classroom setting and provide hands-on experience with RPA tools and software. These courses can be intensive and may require students to travel to the training location. Hybrid courses. These courses are a combination of online and in-person training. Students attend in-person sessions for hands-on practice and online sessions for theoretical concepts and other course materials. Certification courses. These courses are designed to prepare students for RPA certification exams offered by vendors such as Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism. These courses cover specific topics that are included in the certification exams and help students pass the exams. Specialization courses. These courses focus on specific areas of RPA, such as healthcare, finance, or human resources. These courses provide in-depth knowledge of the industry-specific processes that can be automated using RPA. Short-term courses. These courses are designed to provide a quick introduction to RPA concepts and tools. They are typically shorter in duration and may not cover advanced topics. The availability of these courses may vary depending on the training provider and location. It's important to choose a course that aligns with your learning objectives and provides the necessary knowledge and skills for your career goals. How can you find the best robotic process automation course for your needs? Finding the best robotic process automation, RPA, course for your needs can be a daunting task, as there are many options available. However, here are some tips that can help you find the right course. Research the course content. Look for a course that covers the fundamentals of RPA, such as workflow creation, data manipulation, and process automation. It should also cover more advanced topics such as cognitive automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Check the reputation of the course provider. Ensure that the course provider has a good reputation in the industry. Look for reviews and feedback from previous students to get an idea of their experience with the course. Verify the quality of the instructors. Check if the course is taught by industry experts who have a good understanding of RPA technologies and their applications. Verify their credentials and experience in the field. Assess the delivery method. Consider the delivery method of the course, whether it is online, offline, or a hybrid. Also, evaluate the flexibility of the course in terms of the schedule, the duration, and the mode of instruction. Look for certification. Check if the course provides certification upon completion. A certification from a recognized authority can add value to your resume and help you stand out in the job market. Evaluate the cost. Compare the cost of the course with other similar courses available in the market. Choose a course that offers the best value for money and fits within your budget. By following these tips, you can find the best RPA course for your needs and achieve your career goals in the field of automation. What are the benefits of taking a robotic process automation course? Taking a robotic process automation, RPA, course can provide several benefits, including improved career prospects. RPA is a growing field, and there is a high demand for professionals with RPA skills. By taking an RPA course, you can improve your career prospects and increase your chances of getting a job in this field. Increased efficiency and productivity. RPA can automate repetitive and manual tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more strategic tasks. By taking an RPA course, you can learn how to automate processes and increase efficiency and productivity in your organization. Cost savings. RPA can reduce costs by eliminating errors, increasing accuracy, and improving efficiency. By taking an RPA course, you can learn how to identify opportunities for automation and implement RPA solutions that can save your organization money. Better decision-making. RPA can provide real-time insights into business processes, enabling better decision-making. By taking an RPA course, you can learn how to use data to make informed decisions and optimized business processes. Enhanced customer experience. RPA can improve customer experience by automating repetitive tasks and providing faster and more accurate responses. By taking an RPA course, you can learn how to implement RPA solutions that enhance the customer experience. Overall, taking an RPA course can equip you with the skills and knowledge to implement RPA solutions that can benefit your organization and advance your career. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.